Prior to starting the catheterization, always wash your hands thoroughly. Adjust your clothing as necessary, get yourself in a sitting position, and make yourself comfortable. Before catheterizing, you must clean the area around the urethra. Take care to wash from the front to the back of the vagina. Unfold the set by removing the white sticker on the back of the product. Before opening, check that the product is intact and ensure the lubricant is evenly spread over the catheter. Open the catheter by tearing and removing the pre-cut protective sheath. Hold the catheter by the connector without touching it. Spread the labia apart gently with the index and middle finger of one hand. You may need to pull slightly upwards to expose the urethra. Now insert the catheter slowly and carefully into the urethra and continue entering the catheter until urine starts to flow. A slight manual pressure on the lower abdomen towards the end of the catheterization process will ensure that the bladder has been completely emptied. When the urine stops flowing into the bag, slowly remove the catheter. Its anti-reflux valve provides more security and prevents leakages before emptying. To empty the bag, tear off along the dotted line located at the top of the bag. Refold the set and reposition the sticker to close it. The mini set can then be discreetly disposed of. Always wash your hands again after catheterization to complete the procedure. Actreen Mini Set is your perfect companion, always ready when you are.